Well, hiya! Today is post-op day. It seems like the start of each week, there's not really much going on, but my hair is very soft. As I mentioned, I have been loving my hydration routine, but this is post-op day 195. So today I did not moisturize my hair because I'm doing an experiment just because I need my hair slicked back by the weekend. So right now I have some gel in my hair, a little water, not too much moisturizer, although the ends could be a little more hydrated, but I didn't do anything with that. But I'm gonna probably add a little bit more gel to it. Cringe, but I need to have it sleek, and by the time I get it sleek to the way that I want it to, then I'll do my final wash. But this is post-op day 195, I think, or 196. And I did state that I am not washing my hair this week. I am kind of just piling on gel at this point to kind of get that slick look, but I don't know how that's gonna go because it looks like the back of the hair is like holding on by the grace of God. But anyway, this is post-op day 197. Look at that. I am getting ready for an event for tomorrow, which is the reason why I have not washed my hair. But this is post-op day 198. This is hanging on by the grace of God. Today is post-op day 199, and I'm here to give you guys the updates on my hair. So we finally made it to the biggest event for me, where I've been sacrificing to not wash my hair so that I can get the most sleekest hair that I could possible, because for some reason my hair just wouldn't gel. It gelled today. It's starting to let go a little bit. I'm starting to turn back into a pumpkin, but that doesn't even matter because we're gonna wash it tomorrow. But this is post-op day 199. And I did not wash my hair today. I had done some traveling today, so I figured one more day couldn't hurt, since tomorrow is actually the wash reset day, which I plan to just do anyway. So I figured why not just wait till tomorrow. So this is post-op day 200. Yeah. Well, hiya! Today is post-op day 201, and I did, of course, as you guys can see, finally wash my hair. It feels really good to just kind of get back to normal on that, since we don't have to slick our hair down anytime soon. But I got a feeling I'm gonna slick it up tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, I got a chance to wash it. Overall, this is the longest that I've went without washing my hair with all that product in it, so I do feel relieved with that. Nothing really special has been going on this past week, of course, other than just piling up on product. But other than that, this is post-op day 201. And I will see you guys next week.